Hello, beautiful blockchain people. That's me again at CryptoSpine. This is my next cryptocurrency market overview. So let's start. Let's have a look at the price of the major cryptocurrencies according to the beautiful site of CoinGecko. And we see that the market continues to consolidate. Bitcoin is slightly above the psychological level of $9,000 per one digital coins, namely trading at the level of $9,015. The same price dynamic has been followed by the rest of the major cryptocurrencies. And just a short reminder that yesterday I analyzed in detail the price chart of Bitcoin, and I also mentioned the upcoming long-awaited Bitcoin halving that will take place in approximately 7 days. Today I want to say that I would like to analyze the price chart of Binance Coin because this is a crypto that I haven't analyzed that often. So actually I have analyzed it very rarely. That's why today let's conduct a thorough analysis of Binance Coin or Binance Coin because I see that there are still many people interested in this digital coin. So this is the current price according to TradingView, $17.12. This is the latest price dynamics, and we see that the price chart since, let's say, the middle of last summer is quite similar to the ones of the rest of the major cryptocurrencies. But let's move to the candlesticks chart and let's have a look at the different time frames. Let's start as usual from the monthly time frame, but I just want to show you the chart of the cryptocurrency or digital coin Binance against the USD, and I will remove, of course, the volumes and the horizontal gray and vertical lines. So we're ready. This is the price chart of Binance Coin. Let's have a look at the monthly time frame. First of all, I would like to outline some very interesting things that has happened within the last, let's say, few months. We have this sequence of ascending or bullish candlesticks followed by a sequence of descending or bearish candlestick in 2019. The price charts of the rest of the major cryptocurrencies are very similar. We know that at the beginning of this year, the cryptocurrency market rebounded. Most of the charts of the major cryptocurrencies formed this bullish engulfing. So this is the bullish engulfing in this price chart. Then followed by a typical shooting star. So this is how actually, according to the books or according to the theory, a shooting star looks like. So this is a trend reversal candlestick followed by a solid bearish candlestick that completely engulf the bodies of those candlesticks, and the lower low, actually the local low of this lower shadow of the bearish candlestick tested the local low from December 2018. Now we have this solid price rebound in April, but if compared to the price charts of the other cryptocurrencies that I have analyzed within the last, let's say, 6 or 7 days, we don't have a bullish engulfing here in April. So we know that in the price chart of Bitcoin we have bullish engulfing here. So here we don't have a bullish engulfing. So it means that to some extent we have some difference if we compare the price chart, the monthly price chart of Bitcoin and the monthly time price chart of Binance. Once again, we don't have here a bullish engulfing. So it means that the bulls are much stronger in the Bitcoin price chart if compared to the price chart of Binance. So we don't have a reliable, let's say, bullish signal here. If we switch to the weekly time frame, the price chart to some extent in this time frame or in the weekly time frame is quite similar to the ones of the other cryptocurrencies, because we had this rebound in the beginning of the year, then followed by a solid price decline that started in the middle of February till the middle of March. Then the price of this cryptocurrency rebounded as well. And now we have this sequence of mainly bullish candlesticks with ascending local lows and ascending local highs. So the let's say the price dynamics is quite similar to the one of Bitcoin as well in the weekly time frame. So in the weekly time frame, we still have this let's say dominance of the bulls over the bears, because all those candlesticks, they have almost all of them ascending local lows and ascending local highs. But if we switch to the daily time frame, I would like to mention that there is this descending channel here, and I talked about the descending channel yesterday in the price chart of Bitcoin, and we have these descending channels in the price charts of the rest of the major cryptocurrencies. Of course, we may change a little bit the trajectory here, so I would like to mention that we can draw the lines like this, for example. Also, some chartists would say that this is not a descending channel or a downtrend, it is a descending narrowing wedge. So this is the wedge. So it is something like this, and now the price is a kind of approaching the upper line of the wedge. So the main point is that this is a downtrend, no matter if it is a descending channel or a descending narrowing wedge, it is still a downtrend. But within this downtrend, there is a rebound or a correction in the 4-hour time frame, and that is what we saw yesterday in the price chart of Bitcoin as well. So this is how this correction phase looks like. It is an ascending channel. Let me change the color of that line. So I would like to mention that this is an ascending channel or an uptrend within the downtrend in the daily time frame. So once again, the global trend in the daily time frame is a descending one or a downtrend, but in the shorter time frame, in the 4-hour time frame, we have a correction at the moment, and it is an ascending channel or an uptrend. So actually, let's see what happens within this ascending channel. Actually, that's it, what I wanted to mention about the price chart of Binance in the different time frame. But the last thing I would like to outline is that since the beginning of the chart, the price of Binance has been in uptrend. So we still have an uptrend because we still have this sequence of ascending local lows and ascending mainly local highs. Yes, there is a correction here. I just outlined this descending narrowing wedge, but the main trend or the general or the major trend is still an ascending one or an uptrend. Let's see what happens to the price chart within this wedge. If if this is the beginning of the new price increase, or probably we may see some kind of price decline once the price hits the upper line of this descending channel or descending narrowing wedge down to the level of the ascending or the global line. Those are the major moments or technical patterns I will continue to monitor, and I will update you in case I see some kind of changes. So fellas, that's it for today about the price chart of Binance Coin. Please share your view about this interesting coin as a comment under this video. I wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you in the next one. It was me at CryptoSpot.